Okay, so the idea here is that we're going to load these cores into a form factor using a robot. So all this comes down onto a cleated conveyor, and that's where they're doing the fork thing at. So if we remove the sweep and all that, we're going to have these things coming down from the ceiling in these plants. So the idea is to take a form on the end of a robot and manipulate it under the chute and use it to form the layer that then goes in the box. All right, yep. And so you can see if we able to do that in reverse with the robot moving this piece and this piece being fixed, you can see that we can form the layer, and then another robot will pick the layer and put it in the box. So does that make sense? The first place this starts is generally like in the shower. Right. And so, so I've been thinking about this idea for quite some time, and we've actually proposed solutions to this same problem for the last 10 years, but never this solution, and they never seem to be exactly the right solution, at least to the customer, because they were never purchased. And it just dawned on me that, hey, what if I took a form and did that? And I've just been playing that thought experiment over and over in my mind, and then just decided that I didn't see enough reasons it would fail to go ahead and spend $110 on some plywood and a day of my time to make a mock-up just to see if it would pass that test. It could have failed there, right, but it didn't seem to fail there. So then it warranted doing this. So the whole idea here is to try to get this idea to fail as quickly as possible if it's going to fail. But so far, it seems like it's got a chance. It would be awesome if this worked.
Right.
But if it doesn't work and it clearly fails, then that's a good answer too. If we can just get it to fail or to succeed, those are great. So theoretically with a robot, if it'll step through everything without hitting anything, then when you hit play, it won't hit anything. Quite the little dance, huh? You ready to try it? Sure. All right, here it is for real. See what disaster this creates. Well, that wasn't terrible. Any questions?
Because Bob is a former furniture builder, cabinet maker, we have a furniture grade prototype.
So I'm going to show you how quickly we can form a layer with the robot and the thing.
Okay.
Okay? So here we go. So, what do you think?
I know we can do this. And I'm at a point where even if there's inertia against it, I'm going to say take that site and do it. That's good.
All right. And then I didn't quite automate getting them back in the tube, but I can also make them. Then it's easier to load.
To load them on the top.
And then you're up there.
So now we're going to try it in auto, which is more realistic to how it would be running in a production environment.
Ship it.